insane free open source GitHub of the day is called Chatwoot. Now, to explain what this thing is, let me just show you it over here on the list. This is number 17 of the free GitHub's video series that I've been making. Basically, Chatwoot is an omni-channel support. Like, think of Zendesk or other apps that do a multiple channel inbox, like email, chat, WhatsApp, social, with a built-in AI agent, and you don't have to pay anything. Remember, this is open source. It's got 30,000 GitHub stars. Let's look at the details of what this is and what it can do. So Chatwoot is an open source customer support platform, integrates conversations from email, live chat, WhatsApp, Twitter, X, Telegram, Facebook, and more into one location, guys. One location. It has canned, which means template responses, automations. You can add in a bot AI agent builder, like a captain, SLAs, and team management. Guys, this is completely free. Give me a like for this one. Come on, at least for this one. So look at the comparison between open source and the paid, and the difference in what you're getting. So with Chatwoot is completely free. And if you use something like Intercom or the other ones they mentioned, like Zendesk, it's $39 a month per agent per freaking month. And you can amass easily $200 if you use a pay tool. And the key difference is that Chatwoot covers 90% of what Intercom does. Intercom has more sophisticated AI conversation routing and a richer product tour engagement toolset. But however, if you view this on GitHub, you'll see that this is completely free. So it's a no-brainer for anyone who wants complete privacy and local use. So if you want to see the picture, check out this image. This image here will show you basically the bottom line. What you're getting here for completely free is this kind of user interface. You can see different conversations, different channels. You can see over here, if you look at the logos here, you can see different platforms are being spoken to, and then you can use AI to help you. So this is fantastic for anyone who has a business and wants to save money on this automation type stuff where you can have a conversation with your clients. So this was number 17 of paid versus free open source GitHubs that you probably won't know about unless you follow me. So follow me for more amazing GitHubs of the day. In tomorrow's GitHub of the day, we're going to be demonstrating, or not demonstrating, I'm going to look inside this specific clone your voice from a 6-second clip of your voice in 17 languages and create unlimited free generations, 100% local, no per character billing. So we're going to be looking at that tomorrow. And then the day after, we're going to look at how to use ListMonk, which replaces MailChimp. And it's going to be something that allows you to send newsletters to millions of people without paying MailChimp a monthly rate. Our 19,000 GitHub stars, absolutely fantastic.